Just took some top from this platinum bin. She from Bingus 503. Just bought a pot with a water base. Boy, don't play with me. This bitch gon' grow, met her at the stove. You know how it goes. She wanna smoke, so she bought some dope and told her ass to go. Just took some top from this sour bitch. She from Cass, Blueberry.
I might need a light vest when the nigga be brain. Aviator, let me show you 503. Fingers platinum mass cell, he the king, king. Started from a seed, now I mean. Potted up, stripped it down, now she swimming with the team. Oh yeah.
Calf snake oil showed some love and blessed us with the power to grow the amazing strain. Calf sour. Oh yeah. Calf snake oil showed some love and blessed us with the power to grow the amazing strain. Calf sour. Calf's team taking over. It's getting scary. Yo, Fiyaaa, check out the immaculate calves. Blueberry. 3-gallon pots and no, they not fabric, but she still butt chug. Cause I stuck with up their asses. Oh yeah. Racing to the end of sour RNA. What you need? Donated by our sister CC420. Oh yeah. I ain't know she was an auto flower. Now she booming, searching for all that power. Oh yeah. 3-gallon pots, you know they not fabric, but she still butt chug. Cause I stuck with up their asses. Our 4x4 is looking good and going crazy. Healing Harvest Project just flipped to a sea of green. Man, this shit so wavy. Oh yeah. Giving thanks to you all is all I wanna do. AC Infinity I love, but I wanna give you all my love. Oh yeah. Calf snake oil and CC420. My heart's filled with plenty of love. Oh yeah. And my tent's filled with plenty of bud. Oh yeah. 3-gallon pots, you know they not fabric, but she still butt chug. Cause I stuck with up their asses. Oh yeah. 3-gallon pots, you know they not fabric, but she still butt chug. Cause I stuck with up their asses. Oh yeah. We going up because there ain't no other. Together we're stronger till the end, brother. Oh yeah. 3-gallon pots, you know they not fabric, but she still butt chug. Cause I stuck with up their asses. Oh yeah. We going up because there ain't no other. Together we're stronger till the end, brother. Oh yeah.
Shut up, buttwad. I'm trying to watch this crap.
Please, God.
This is God.
Chris is coming for you, watch out. Gonna make you scream and shout. 3, 4, lock your door tight. Keep your heart hidden from sight. 5, 6, get your fix. Crop culture in the mix.
Damn it, this pisses me off. If we don't see some boobs or some explosions or some
poop. That'd be cool. Poop.
Yeah.
Mix. 7, 8, time to germinate. Seeds take root, it's getting late. Shadows dance in pursuit. 9, 10, start again. 3, 4, lock your door tight. Keep your crop hidden from sight. 5, 6, get your fix. Crop culture in the mix.
3, 4, lock your door tight. Keep your crop hidden from sight. 5, 6, get your fix. Crop culture in the mix. It's a beautiful day, real grow in this neighborhood. Oh yeah, a beautiful day for a nigga really backwoods in this right. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you blaze with me, neighbor? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a neighborly day for a jail backwood. Oh yeah. A neighborly day for us to team a strain or run its scuff. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you blaze with me, neighbor?
I have always wanted to blaze with a neighbor just like you. Oh yeah! I've always wanted to blaze a fat backwood with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you blaze with me, neighbor? Oh yeah! Won't you blaze? Won't you blaze? Please won't you blaze with me, neighbor? Oh yeah! Let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you blaze with me, neighbor? Oh, yeah. Won't you blaze? Won't you blaze? Please won't you blaze with me, neighbor? Oh, yeah. Won't you blaze? Won't you blaze? Please won't you blaze with me, neighbor? Won't you blaze? Please won't you blaze with me, neighbor?
Strawberry milk, cookies on the dive. Silly rabbit's magic, got me feeling alive. Puff that green and my heart takes flight. Got a buzz so sweet, keep me up all night. Eyes low, mind high, caught in the blend. Strawberry serenade, never wanna so divine. In this cloudy world, you're my lifeline.
I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with AC Infinity, and I'm far from cheap. I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Chicago way. The killer and yak keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they send DMs cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gas and stuff. Now honeys play to win like Vegas play sing. From the North Pole down to the low end. Condos by the greens, Indo for the week. Sold out seats to hear Macho Graham speak. Living life without fear, putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool, cause I barely made it out of high school. Stereotypes of a Latin male misunderstood, and it's still all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. You know very well, come on, who you are. Don't let them hold you down, go reach for the stars, man. You had a goal, but not that many, so I'm sure the only one I